Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. Today, we're going to go over the 10 passive income ideas you should try. Make sure to stick until the end of the video because it's one of the most amazing passive income generating business I've ever seen. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon notification so you don't miss out on learning how to make money online and generate passive income. Now let's get straight into the video. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aren't all these things just a bunch of scams? Well, I'm here to tell you that they're not. These are all legitimate ways for you to make money without having to lift a finger. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done. Passive income number 10, Amazon FBA. One passive income method that's been gaining popularity in recent years is Amazon FBA. For those who aren't familiar, Amazon FBA is a program that allows people to sell products on Amazon. As an Amazon FBA seller, you don't need to worry about storing or shipping inventory, as Amazon will take care of those details for you. All you need to do is source the products and then send them to Amazon. Then you can sit back and watch the sales come in. Thanks to Amazon's vast customer base, it's not uncommon for Amazon FBA sellers to see a steady stream of income, even if they're only selling a few items. Of course, there is still some work involved in getting set up with Amazon FBA and ensuring that your products are selling well. But once you have things up and running, it can provide a great source of passive income. You can still have all the benefits that comes with storing your items on those shelves and more. Not only does this include access prime shipping and customer service from Amazon themselves, it also ensures there will never be any issues with fulfilling orders yourself, so long as they follow their standard protocols. The benefits don't stop there. You're able to take advantage of all those great features, offers such as prime eligibility and free super savings shipping. So it's easy peasy lemon squeezy when running an online store. If you're looking for a passive income opportunity, Amazon FBA is definitely worth checking out. Passive income number 9, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is not issued by any central authority, making it decentralized. Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency. The idea came about in 2009 when an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper that proposed using electronic money for internet transactions without relying on banks or other regulatory institutions to operate them. This was revolutionary at its time. Cryptocurrencies have become a popular way to purchase goods and services. They're often traded on decentralized exchanges, or you can use them as investments for future success in this new digital economy. Most cryptocurrencies are passive income, mined using specialized hardware and require a lot of electricity. Passive income from cryptocurrency can come in the form of staking, where users lock up their coins in order to earn interest on them, or from running a masternode, which involves maintaining a full copy of the blockchain. Cryptocurrency passive income can also be earned by trading on cryptocurrency exchanges or through affiliate programs. Whatever method you choose, passive income from cryptocurrency can provide you with a steady stream of income without having to put in long hours at a traditional job. Passive income number 8, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer's door. Dropshipping is a great way to start an e-commerce business with little upfront investment, and it's also a great way to generate passive income. Because dropshippers don't have to carry any inventory, they can operate their businesses with very little overhead. Plus, because the suppliers handles all the shipping and fulfillment, dropshippers can focus on other areas of their business, such as marketing and customer service. It's also relatively easy to automate using a virtual assistant. Once you have a dropshipping business up and running, it's important to focus on building strong relationships with your suppliers and ensuring that your customers are happy with their purchases. Dropshipping is a great option for those looking to start an e-commerce business with limited resources. Passive income number 7, starting a blog. Generating passive income by writing an article is entirely possible. A blog is a great way to generate passive income while you sleep. You can do this by creating content that people will want to read, and then selling advertising space on your blog. There are a few things you'll need to do before getting started. First, you'll need to choose a topic for your blog. This could be anything that interests you, from fashion to food to travel. Once you've chosen a topic, you'll need to come up with a name for your blog and register it with a web hosting service. Then, you'll need to design your blog and start writing content. You can also sell products or services through your blog, or promote affiliate products. If you can build up a large enough following, you can make a significant amount of money from your blog. By producing passive income streams, you can eventually achieve financial independence. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, or even replace your current income, starting a blog is a great option. Just be sure to put in the work required to build up a large enough audience to make it worthwhile. If you stick with it, you can start earning passive income from your blog in no time. Passive income number 6, selling stock photos. Have you ever wondered how people make money selling stock photos? Well, it may seem like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple. First, you'll need to find a reputable stock photo agency. Once you've set up an account, you can start uploading your photos right away. When someone purchases one of your photos, you'll receive a commission. Turn your passion into cash by selling your photos on Shutterstock. As one of the largest stock photo websites in the world, Shutterstock is a great platform for photography enthusiasts of all levels to sell their work. And with over 500 million royalty-free images available for purchase, there's always a demand for high-quality photos. Whether you're shooting nature scenes, city streets, or close-up of everyday objects, your photos could be worth money on Shutterstock. Plus, it's easy to get started. Simply create an account and upload your images. Once your photos are approved, they'll be available for purchase by Shutterstock's global customer base. By selling your photos through a stock photo agency, you can passive income and make money while doing something you love. Passive income number 5, affiliate marketing. At its simplest, affiliate marketing is a performance-based form of marketing. Affiliates are typically websites or online advertisers who agree to promote a merchant's product or service in exchange for commission or any resulting sales. When a customer clicks on one of these affiliate links and makes a purchase, the affiliates earn a commission through the merchant. Meanwhile, benefits from increased exposure in sales. While there are many different types of affiliate programs, most follow a similar model. First, the affiliate signs up with a merchant and agrees to promote their products. Next, the affiliate selects which product they want to promote and creates links to the merchant's sites. When a customer clicks on one of these links and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. While affiliate marketing can be an efficient way to generate sales, it's important to remember that it is still a form of marketing. As such, affiliates need to carefully select the products they promote and take care to create quality content that will appeal to potential customers. With so much competition online, it's also important to stand out from the crowd and offer something unique. When done correctly, affiliate marketing can be an effective way to earn income from your website or blog. Affiliate marketing has been around since the earliest days of online marketing, and it has evolved into a multi-billion-dollar industry over the years. Affiliate marketing has become so popular that it's offered businesses an effective way to reach new customers, and because it provides publishers with an easy way to earn income. Additionally, affiliate marketing programs tend to be very flexible, allowing publishers to promote whatever product they want without having to adhere to strict guidelines. To be successful at affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products that are closely related to content on your website. This way, your audience will be more likely to click on links and make a purchase. Additionally, it's helpful to create informative content that includes links to the products you're promoting. This way, even if people don't purchase the product, they'll still learn something from your site. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. Passive income number 4, social media manager. Social media managers help individuals and businesses to create and maintain a presence on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. In many cases, social media managers work on a freelance basis, which allows them to set their own hours and rates. For businesses, hiring a social media manager can be a cost-effective way to outsource this essential task. In addition, social media managers often have the opportunity to generate passive income by creating and selling online courses or ebooks, teaching others how to effectively use social media. If you create a blog and someone else pays you to manage their social media accounts, that is passive income. In order to be a successful social media manager, you need to be organized and have good time management skills. You also need to be creative and have good people skills. Most importantly, you need to be able to stay calm under pressure. As a result, becoming a social media manager can be an excellent way to earn a living while also helping others to build their brands online. Passive income number 3, investing in companies. For many people, investing in companies is a great way to earn passive income. With this type of investment, you can buy shares of stocks in a company and then receive dividends from the company's profits. Although there are some risks involved with this type of investment, such as possibilities that the company might not be profitable, it can be a great way to earn money without having to put in a lot of work. In addition, if the company does well, you may see your investment grow in value over time. For these reasons, investing in companies can be a great way to build your wealth over time. Passive income number 2, drop servicing. Drop servicing is a type of passive income where you provide a service to clients, but outsource the actual work to someone else. It's basically a way to outsource tasks or services that you would normally do yourself. For instance, let's say you are a web designer. You can find a virtual assistant who specializes in graphics and have them create banner designs for your website projects. Or if you're a social media manager, you can find a drop service provider who can help you with tasks like content creation, scheduling posts, and engagement. For another example, let's say you're a web designer. You can find a client who needs a new website and then hire a freelancer to build the site for them. Once the site is complete, you deliver it to the client and collect your fee. Drop servicing can be a great way to save time and money, and it can also help you to scale your business more quickly. Of course, it's important to make sure you choose a reputable and reliable provider who can deliver quality work. But if you do that, drop servicing can be a real game changer for your business. The great thing about drop servicing is that it can be done entirely online, so you can work from anywhere in the world. Plus, there's no need to invest in inventory or other resources, making it a very low-cost business to start. If you're looking for a way to make passive income, drop servicing could be the perfect option for you. Passive income number 1, start a YouTube channel. Now, I know what you're thinking, and I'm pretty sure you've heard this many times, but here's why we believe starting a YouTube channel is the number 1 business. YouTube is a great business to start for a number of reasons. First, it's a highly profitable platform with billions of users worldwide, and the second largest site on the planet. You can monetize your videos through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Additionally, YouTube is a great way to build an audience and connect with people who share your interests. You can use YouTube to share your passion for a particular topic, generate leads for your business, or build a following for your personal brand. Finally, YouTube is relatively easy to get started with and doesn't require a lot of upfront investment. All you need is a camera and an internet connection. If you're looking to start earning from your YouTube channel, then check out this number 1 YouTube course created by a successful YouTuber named Matt Park. This course will teach you everything you need to know about how to make money from your videos, including how to find sponsors, how to create and sell products, and how to use affiliate marketing. You'll also learn about the different ways that you can monetize your channel, including ads, pay-per-view, and subscriptions. With this course, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to start making money from your YouTube channel. So if you're looking for a business that's profitable, easy to get started, and has a large potential audience, YouTube is a perfect platform for you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.